Recommended preventive maintenance for resistance welders. Preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring the safe and efficient operation of resistance welders. Always follow proper lockout and safety procedures before performing any maintenance. 1. Tooling. Water. Ensure water is clean, free of contaminants, with adequate flow and proper temperature. Repair any leaks promptly. Tip condition. Monitor tip condition continuously and maintain tips in near new condition. Contact area. Keep all contact areas clean and corrosion-free with tight connections. 2. Transformer. Water. Maintain clean, cool water flow for transformer cooling. Tap switch. Keep clean with tight connections. Wipers and contacts should have enough tension for good electrical connection without making operation difficult. Grounds. Ensure all ground connections and reactors are in good condition and properly connected to earth ground. 3. Secondary. Insulation. One half of the copper secondary should be insulated from the frame, the other grounded. Keep insulation undamaged and free of contamination. Clean joints. Maintain clean, tight joints for good conductivity. Avoid materials that block current flow. Remove corrosion periodically. Water. Ensure hoses and tubes are in good condition and supply clean, cool water. Tighten. Periodically check bolts, holders, and adapters for tightness. 4. Air system. Filter. Keep air filter and water trap clean and drained, especially in high humidity. Regulator. Ensure consistent operation and proper pressure indication. Oiler. Maintain and adjust lubricator for proper oil delivery, about 1 drop per 20 machine cycles. Cylinder. Check seals, wipers, and connected equipment for leaks and smooth operation. Valves. Keep valves clean with good connections. Mufflers should be in place. Air leaks. Inspect entire system periodically for leaks. 5. Control. SCR or ignitron tubes. Keep contactor clean and dry. Check for loose connections. Timing. Verify squeeze, weld, hold, and off functions operate correctly. Heat control. Test by adjusting settings and observing weld response. Use a weld scope for precision. Water. Ensure clean, cooling water for control components with hoses at least 18 inches long and no leaks. 6. Mechanical. RAM. Check for smooth operation and minimal side play. Lubricate and adjust as needed. Bushings. Inspect for wear and looseness. Lubricate or replace as necessary. Heads. For seam welders, check lubrication daily. Keep wheels tight, clean, and cool. 7. Electrical. Connections. Keep all connections clean and tight. Fuses. Verify correct size, rating, and condition. Wires. Check for chafing, frayed insulation, or burns. Clean. Maintain cleanliness inside and outside the control enclosure. Do not store tools or trash inside. 8. Cooling water requirements. Resistivity. Greater than 2,000 ohm centimeters at 25 degrees Celsius. pH between 7 and 8. Mineral content, chlorides less than or equal to 20 ppm. Nitrates less than or equal to 10 ppm. Sulfates less than or equal to 100 ppm. Total solids content less than or equal to 250 ppm. Total hardness less than or equal to 250 ppm as calcium carbonate. Marlin Steel makes baskets, racks, and carts and wire forms for the medical device and aerospace and food processing industries in the USA and exports to 45 countries. We make the best quality, and we appreciate the welding training and partnership with TJ Snow. Please give us a shot on your next project where quality engineering and quick matter.